welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Sayani, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing equipments haul under budget, like what equipments do I use to shoot my videos and my pictures. And this would be a beginners friendly guide, so everything will be super affordable and under rupees 500. But let me clarify one thing first, which is I have recently bought this equipments and before that I had nothing. Like, I started my YouTube channel without buying any equipments, without buying anything. I literally just had my phone, which is Redmi Note 8 Pro, by the way, if you're interested. And yeah, that's it. So if you're a beginner or you are planning to start a YouTube channel and you don't want to invest your money, or you can't invest your money right now on buying this equipments, that's completely okay. As a beginner, you just need good lighting, your phone, and video ideas, and that's it. You don't have to buy anything except you really need one, remember that. So these equipments are something that I really needed right now because I'm a full-time content creator now, and I have to shoot regularly, right? So these equipments make my works less complicated and more easier. And after a certain point, I think you need to upgrade a little, but of course if it's completely necessary. Also, I have bought these equipments with my own money. I did not take a penny from my parents. So my point is, don't force your parents to buy you this equipments unless they are ready to buy you this. I hope you are getting my point. I gave too much gyan, I know, but yeah. Okay, now let's get into the video. But before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also follow me on my Instagram to stay more updated about my life and my videos, of course. So this is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed. Please go follow me there. We are so close to 10k. Not so close, but yeah, so please follow me there. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So first thing I bought is this Bluetooth remote. Such a lifesaver if you are into self-portraits or you need to click pictures on a regular basis. This is a must-have. You just need to connect this with your phone's Bluetooth for one time and bam, it makes your work so much easier. So it has this on-off button, so switch on the button and turn on the Bluetooth of your phone, connect it for one time, and after that you don't need to connect it again. You just have to switch on the device and phone's Bluetooth whenever you need it, and it will be automatically connected. Then just press the button here on the remote and the pictures will be clicked. I mean, how cool it is. This retails for 179 rupees right now, but when I got this one it was for 249 rupees, which is, I think, according to me, quite cheap because it does a great job and makes your work so much easier. Every equipment that I have bought are from Amazon. So yeah, whenever you are in a certain position while clicking pictures, you don't need to go to your phone again and again and click on your phone or switch on your timer. That's so annoying, I know. This thing makes clicking pictures so much easier. You need to connect it and you just have to click on it and the picture will be clicked. I remember when I got this one, it made me so freaking happy that I connected it with my phone instantly and I started clicking random pictures and selfies with this remote. So you need to get your hands on this remote. This is a must buy for every content creator or every self-portrait artist. Next thing I have got is this backdrop, this white plain white backdrop. This again made my content creator wala life so much easier. This one is without stand and retails for 439 rupees, and it comes with this hooks. You can hang them wherever you want to with the help of this hooks, but I use rope to hang it. It's 8 by 12 feet in size, which is really big. The material is not see-through, maybe just a little, let's say 20%, but I can totally ignore that easily. It's kind of synthetic material, but not those flowy light synthetic material. Like, it's very heavy and thick. I especially use it when I shoot my Instagram reels. I fold this into half and then I hang it. So you can definitely try this one. There are plenty of more colors you can choose from. So yeah. Next thing I got is this tripod. This can be used for your phone, your camera, both, and I don't have a camera, by the way. Now I was so happy with this tripod until this happened. So this thing totally opens up like this again and again. This is so annoying. This thing actually helps the phone to stay at its place. So one day I was just shooting and it was almost done, and suddenly it opened up like this and my phone just fell, and thank God that nothing happened to my phone. But then the worst thing happened. This thing totally broke, and it was the second day of using it, which was so disappointing. So I just bought a Fevikwik and fixed this thing, and I could not able to return it, and I use a piece of thermocol like this. I insert it right here so that it stays in the place and does not slip off. My phone does not slip off. Now you are thinking end of story, right? Wrong. So recently this happened. इसका ये एक लेग पूरा निकल गया है. I mean it works the same. I can still use it like before. It can be fixed, but the point is I have to fix it whenever I use it, which is so annoying. I should be investing in a good tripod. I don't know why. I wanted to save a little extra money, and the results are here. You can see. This retails for 430 rupees, but I won't recommend this one at all. I think you should invest in a good quality tripod, in a better tripod like this one. I have heard about this tripod a lot after I bought this tripod.
Say that you're fine when you're not.
Moving on to the next item which I got is this fairy lights or string lights. This one is a USB one, but it also has the battery variant, but I thought of buying this USB one because battery wala fairy light ke liye I have to buy battery alag se, and I have to like keep refilling it, and whenever it will be running out of battery I won't be able to use it if I don't have battery backups. This is 5 meters long, which is pretty decent size according to me, and it is in the warm white variant. The price of this one is 299 rupees. I have been using this a lot these days and it works perfectly same. I have been using this from 1.5 months now, and it's perfectly fine. It also comes with more colors, and it has those 10 meters long variant also, so definitely go check out the USB lights or fairy lights. I got this fake plants. You might have seen me using this already, and it comes with this planter, but I don't use this planter. I just hang this on my background. Love the product, love the quality. There is nothing much to talk about this product. The price of this one is probably 299 rupees, and here is a closer look in case you are wondering. So these are all the equipments that I have recently bought, and before that I used to do jugaad whenever I have to shoot my YouTube videos and all. You can check out how to do that. I mean how I used to shoot my videos. I have shared the whole process, like how I used to shoot my videos, in a vlog. You can check out the vlog. The link is in my description box. Also you can tap on the I button. And I don't have any ring lights. My room has already 3 lights, and I think that's quite enough for me right now. But in future I might be buying a ring light for my Instagram reels. Let's see. I will let you know, and follow me on my Instagram to stay updated. As I have told you, please follow me. This is my Instagram handle. I will put up a story whenever I buy anything. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any video request, or if you want to say anything, and share this video with your friends, your family. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more such content in future, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.